In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial of Jasper AI. Whether you're a marketer, writer, or entrepreneur, Jasper AI is a tool you can use to generate content quickly and easily, making it an essential part of your toolkit. Let's dive right in and explore how you can access this valuable resource without paying a dime, at least initially. To begin the process, you'll want to visit the Jasper AI website. Simply open your web browser and type in jasper.ai in the address bar. Once you've reached the homepage, take a moment to browse around. If you're unfamiliar with Jasper AI, you'll find plenty of information about what it offers, which will be helpful in understanding all the amazing possibilities this tool provides. As you navigate to the homepage, look out for the free trial button. This is typically highlighted to capture attention. Clicking this button will take you through to the next stage of securing your free trial. This step is straightforward and requires just a single click. Once you've clicked the free trial button, you'll be presented with various pricing plans. Now don't worry, you're only here for the trial, so no need to pull out your credit card just yet. There should be an option labeled Select Plan, which you should click to proceed. Keep in mind, even though you're on a trial, Jasper wants you to choose a plan that you might consider subscribing to after the trial ends. Moving forward, you'll likely encounter sections that need your attention marked by some form of highlight. These are areas where you need to enter necessary information. It's crucial to have the correct details entered here, as the functionality of your trial will rely on this setup. Next, there might be a country selection drop-down box. If prompted, choose your respective country from this list. It's important for ensuring the trial setup aligns with regional regulations and languages. Afterwards, you'll see an option to declare whether you're purchasing as an individual or a business. Since many tools like this are used professionally, they offer this as a step in the setup process. Click I'm purchasing as a business if that applies to you, and continue to the next step. At this stage, you may need to add some billing details, but remember, for the trial, this doesn't mean an automatic charge, merely a requirement to secure your trial access to the pro features. Lastly, you'll want to thoroughly review Jasper AI's privacy policy. Make sure you understand how your data will be used. Once satisfied, you'll find an option to start your trial. Hit Start Trial, and you're all set to explore Jasper AI's functionalities without any cost initially. Congratulations on taking the first step into leveraging AI for your business needs. Enjoy your experience with Jasper AI and make the most out of this trial period.